along with your family is a very big thing. And PM Gadgil is such a family for me because, as you know, it's not only a jewelry store that has opened just yesterday. They have a legacy of hundreds of years coming down from their great-grandfathers. And as you can see with their success story, it speaks its own language. The success of PM Gadgil is not only because they are smart businessmen. They're smart businessmen in the sense that they bring you innovative and novel themes. जैसे नई चीजें आई हैं, जैसे कि एक kiosk आज आया है, which मेरे knowledge में तो I think this is the first of its kind in India. मैंने तो किसी और जगह पे सुना नहीं है where you can actually, you know, through the computer check which looks good on you on your own photograph and then buy. नहीं तो हम लोग आईने के सामने लेके बैठे रहते हैं, earrings लगा के देखते रहते हैं, अपने सहेलियों से पूछते रहते हैं. आजकल तो फोटोग्राफ सेल्फी लेके फिर व्हाट्सएप करते हैं, पहले ये लूँ कि नहीं लूँ. So, but I think ये बहुत ही अच्छा एक आइडिया है कि जहाँ आप अपने आप को ही देख सकते हैं, you take the 12 feet and figure out के whether this is something that you should be buying or not. So the thing is that besides being smart, innovative, they are also a family legacy which has sort of got trust over the years, built up faith, which is very important because today when you go to buy jewelry, you're putting your hard-earned money, you're buying something and you want its value. And today, most of us have daughters. We have, you know, children who we need to get married off to. We need to, we start collecting jewelry from now. At least I have. I don't know how many of you have already started collecting your jewelry for your kids. So it is something that is very necessary to do in today's day and age and invest correct. And uske liye credibility is very important. My association with PM Gadgil is after knowing them for so many years, seeing the way they have progressed all over these years, is the fact that they are credible people whom you can trust. Today, if you buy something, you know you have bought something from your hard-earned money and it's your money's worth. Besides that, I'd like to congratulate them over this fantastic new idea, which I really like, and I love seeing my photograph of them. So over here, I think it'll be a great idea because ladies will come and model the jewelry and the whole store will be seeing their photograph modeling. I think that will be another great thing to happen. I think Saurabh, and I congratulate you also, you know, for thinking of such a great software. Yeah, because these are things which are very useful in today's day and age. Congratulations to you. I know you are on American time right now. So it is prime time right now. This is your deep in sleep, but still. Being a woman, basically, it has nothing to do whether you're a star or a celebrity or something. And nowadays, I feel more than anyone else, people actually buy jewelry also as investment. It's a necessity. Today, even the government offers you schemes where you buy gold because these are things that never go down. These are things that are priceless. Today, you, I'm not sure whether you're married or no. Are you married? No. No, the day you will get married, that day also you'll start thinking of it. So if you want to have good marks every day at home, you'll be thinking, chalo anniversary, birthday, I have to give my wife something. And besides the fact that even when you have your own children, so I feel it is always important to start investing because कल को आपको बेटी होगी, बेटी की शादी करानी, obviously a daughter, you know, and girls like to dress up their best during their wedding day. I definitely do not believe in any kind of dowry or any kind of thing, so that is a no-no. But on their own, women like to dress up. So the day, like I was getting married, I made a beautiful set for myself to go with my ghagra choli and everything. The same way you'll have to think ahead. You know, okay, my daughter will want to, you know, on her wedding day. So, but prices are not going down. Why? Prices are only going up. So, for me, it's an investment. So today what I'm buying, I know 20 years later when my daughter is ready to get married or my son is ready to get married and I have to give it to my babu, it will be really bloody expensive. So I feel it is also the right kind of investment but with the right people. There are so many times, I'll tell you, in the past when I have bought jewelry at some different stores, and there's been no ISI mark on it or no gold mark on it, and today when I see, I come to know it's 17 karat gold. So buy at a jeweler whom you feel has that credibility and you trust. That's very important, and that is why my association basically with PN Gadgil.
For more news and gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.